So I've been sitting on this channel for a hot minute now, and I don't know what the hell I'm doing, so you guys are gonna watch me cook breakfast this morning. I should do a chopping and slicing video, but all my regular videos take forever to edit anyways. Nothing too fancy today, just an omelet. Yes, I like 4 eggs. I like big omelets. A little bit of milk, a little bit of Worcestershire, salt, black pepper, fucking paprika. Like I said, I don't know what you guys want with this channel. I'm willing to do whatever food stuff related, but whether that's me making more breakfast or bread or what, you guys need to let me know. I got a little bit of extra time on my hands at the moment, so we'll see what happens. Oh, got distracted. Hi, cat. Hello. Yeah, medium heat. And yes, before you riddle me in the comments, I'm aware, stove's dirty. That is not enough butter. That might be enough onion. Yeah, this is definitely not enough butter. With my culinary degree, you'd think I would know better. Got a nice sizzle going, but could be a little bit darker, at least the way I like it. I added in way too much fucking vegetable oil to try and fix this. Yeah, a little bit of garlic never hurt nobody. I get the pre-minced stuff because I'm too lazy to just dice it myself. I'm sorry. I don't care, but I am sorry. Let them get to know each other a little bit. And some spinach. I don't know, 2 handfuls here. Didn't want to overdo it, but I could very easily put in a 3rd or a 4th. It reduces down so much. Add in our eggs. Now typically I'm holding the pan with one hand and trying to stir with the other. I don't know why when I was holding the camera, it was so much harder to try and stir it around and not fucking lose the pan. Now we're getting somewhere. And yes, I record these with my phone. And I promise these next videos in the future won't be the vertical shot because this was just terrible. Some cheese. Yeah, some more cheese. Now I gotta do the fancy rollout, because every fancy restaurant and breakfast bar and everything does fancy rollouts. Alright, give it another 10 years, it'll just be deconstructed omelets where they just throw the thing on a plate. And can use some more cheese. Anyways, there's top-down view, I guess. The money shot. It's early in the morning, so I should make this classy. But yeah, this is the first video on the channel. Don't know what you guys want from me, but we'll see you in the next one. Hopefully things pick it up from here. I don't know. Deuces.